In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 insane CapCut tricks and tips that you need in your video. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbit family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Growbit, and this channel will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Mazimilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. So number one is isolating vocal from instrumental, right? In CapCut, you can actually remove vocal from a music. If you want to listen to only the voice, you can listen to only the voice. If you want to listen to only the instrumental, you can listen to only the instrumental. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually do this with CapCut right now. So I'm going to be taking you guys to the other side of the screen where I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to isolate a vocal from instrumental or isolate instrumental from vocal, right? How you're going to be doing it is, this is my song and it's a complete song, and I'm going to be playing it a little bit because of copyright, so that you see that it's a song, it's a music. But after doing what I'm going to be doing like this, I can be able to remove the music and only vocal can play, and I can be able to remove vocal and only beat can play. So let's go. Let me play the music so that you can hear first.
When she cheat on me, I overlook and smile. When she offend me, I made they apologize.
Okay, you can see right here the song played, right? So what I'm going to be doing next is, if I want to isolate the vocal and the beat, I just need to come and look for isolate voice, right? You can see isolate voice right here. So I just need to tap on it. When I tap on it, you can see it's free. Remove voice is free. Remove keep voice is free, right? So what I'm going to do like this is that I'm going to select keep voice. So when I select keep voice, only my voice will be playing. You understand? There will be no instrumental. So listen to this right now.
When she cheat on me, I overlook and smile. When she offend me, I made they apologize.
Okay, right now, the next thing I'm going to do right now is that I would like to remove the voice from the music, then play only the instrumental. So right here, I'm going to be selecting remove voice. Right, once I click this remove voice, right, the music only instrumental will play. So let me take it to where I was singing so that you see. So guys, you can see it, understand, it's very simple. All you just need to do is to come and select on isolate voice, then you can click on keep voice or remove voice depending on what you actually want to do, right? So this is exactly how to do it. So see you guys on the other side of the screen. So number 2 is face and body enhancement. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually edit your body. You can make your head big, or you can make your waist large or small. You can also refreshen your face, remove pimples in your face and make your face look very fresh, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this with CapCut, right? It's very simple. So I'll be taking you guys back to the other side of the screen to show you guys step by step how to do this. So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So another mind-blowing TikTok tricks that I want you to actually check out is the retouch, body retouch and face retouch, right? So this is exactly how to do that, right? So you don't need to come and select this retouch, right? Once you select retouch, you can see face, you can see body, right? So this face is what you use actually to work on your face. You can make your face look very bright and cool, right? So if you want to smoothen your face, let's assume you have pimple, all those things, you want to remove those pimples, just click on this smooth right here. It can smooth your face, right? It will smooth your face and make your face look very smooth, right? You can see in this video my face is getting smoother as if I keep taking this thing like this. If I bring it back like this, it will be coming back to normal, right? So right here, you can also brighten your face by coming to this brighten your face, right? Make your face a little bit bright, so. And also, if your teeth is not white, you can come to this white teeth, then whiten up your teeth. You can whiten up your teeth the way you like it, right? So Let's go back to body, right? So this body is where you can actually, like, if your head is small, you can make your head big. If your waist is small, you can make your waist big. Or if you think your waist is big and you want to make it small, you can actually make it small, right? The same thing is applicable to some other part of your body, right? So once I tap on this body, right, you can see where you can your hips. You can work on your hips, you can work on your chest, you can work on your neck, arms, wide shoulder, legs, but all these first ones are not free, so you need to subscribe to Pro for you to use them. But if you are using free version, you can use the body, you can use the waist, you can use the head, right? Let me assume my leg is not showing. I would have shown you guys my leg. It's this body now. If I feel like this my body is too small, it's too big, then I can make it a little bit smaller, so if I want to make it big, I just take it back like this, it will be big, right? So, and the same thing applicable to my waist. If I want my waist to be a little small, and I will just bring it here. If I want it to be bigger, you understand? So even your head, you can work on your head like this. Now if I want my head to be smaller, right, I just take it like this. You can see my head is now a little bit smaller. So if I want my head to come back to normal, I'll bring it back to the way it used to be. So you can also smoothen your body with this smooth right here, by taking it up like this. You can see my face and everything is becoming more smoother, right? So you can see it very well. So that's it. And also here you can brighten your body. Maybe if you feel you are very dark in the video, just keep doing it like this. You see, and my body is getting brighter, right? So these are some of the tricks that actually you can use that can make your video look very cool and excellent. All right, so this is how to enhance your body and your face, guys. So see you guys on the other side of the screen. So number 3 is speech to music, right? So in CapCut, you can actually turn your speech into music. Like this video right now that you see me speaking right now, I can turn it into a music and I'll be singing or rapping instead of talking, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually do that in CapCut. So I'll be taking you guys back to the other side of the screen. Let me show you guys how to do that. So let's head back to the other side of the screen. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually turn your video, like your speech, into a music. Like this video you're seeing right here, I'm going to be turning this video into a music, all right, with CapCut. Just let me play this video so that you see that it's a normal video, right? And I'm going to be turning it to music and you will listen to it. So let's go. And this is $100. And one funny thing is that this one paper is bigger than this. This one paper is 140,000 naira at the time of. You can see this is a normal video, right? So I'm going to be turning it into a music, right? So how am I going to do it? I'll just need to select it, right? Once I select it, then I'll go right here and look for audio effect, right? So I'm going to be looking for audio effect right here. So you can see audio effect. When I tap on audio effect, there are so many effects right here. So but right now I just want to turn this video to a music. So I'm going to be selecting the speech to song, right? Once I select the speech to song, because I'm using a free version, I only have one beat right here. Like assuming I'm using the paid version, you see it will be many right here. So but I'm going to be using this folk right here, right? So in this folk, what they say is that this clip, let me tap it again so that I can read it well for you guys. They said clip need to be between 5 seconds to 60 seconds to apply this voice effect, right? So when you are doing this, you just make sure that your clip is within 5 seconds to 60 seconds, right? So the video shouldn't be over 1 minute. So I'm going to be splitting this video. So let me split this video so that I will be able to get only 1 minute, which is 60 seconds, right? So I will split this part and delete it off, right? You can see what we have right here is 1 minute, but yeah, 1 minute, it can go. So let's go back to audio effect, right? So I'm going to be clicking audio effect, then go straight to the same speech to song, then tap on this and I will allow it to load. Most times depending on your internet, it might take a little bit, like up to 5 to 10 minutes, right? But once the thing load finish, it will work, right? So let's just wait a little bit for it to load and I will show you guys. Okay guys, you can see it's now done, right? So let me play it for you guys so that you can listen to the music by yourself, right?
And this is $100. And one funny thing is that this one paper is bigger than this. This one paper is 140,000 naira at the time of making this video. And one good thing is that you can still be in Nigeria and be.
So guys, you can see that like I was able to make a music with this, like I was even rapping, right? So when I say in naira, so this is exactly how to do it. Like if you are using the paid version, right, you will see different beats that you can be able to select to know the one that suits with your voice very well, right? Because I'm using a free version, that's the reason why this one is not really bouncing well, but just you can try as much as possible to use a paid version. So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So number 4 is voice filter, right? CapCut provided a new feature where you can actually filter your voice, right? If you want to add echo to your voice, you can actually add echo. Or if you want to change your voice a little bit, if you don't like the way your voice sounds and you want to actually edit your voice, you can now do that on CapCut, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually add voice filter to your video, right? So let's head back to the other side of the screen. Let me show you guys. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use an audio filter, right? You can actually filter your voice, whether you want echo in your voice or you want your voice to be in a certain way, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. All you need to do is to click on this audio effect, right? When you come to this audio effect, you can see voice filter, right? Voice filter. Then the original is this.
This is 100,000 naira and this is.
So, well, you can also change it to this.
This is 100,000 naira and this is.
You can also change it to this.
This is 100,000 naira and this is $100.
You can also change it to this.
This is 100,000 naira and this is.
And if you want echo in your voice, you can also change it to this.
This is 100,000 naira and this is $100. And one funny.
Or maybe you want it on high this thing, you can also change it.
This is 100,000 naira and this is.
So if you want a deep voice,
this is 100,000 naira and this is $100. And
so that's it. Like there are so many of them you can actually use, right? If you need echo, once you select this echo, right, and you feel like the echo is too much and you want to adjust, you just need to come and still tap inside it where you can see you can actually adjust, right? You can adjust the strength, right? You can adjust the quality, the quantity, right? So adjust it to your taste, right? While doing your own, you can adjust it to your taste, right? So
and this is $100. And one.
So that's it. This is exactly how to use a voice filter on CapCut, right? So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So finally, number 5 is voice character. All right. One thing is that CapCut is growing every day and they're adding more features, right? CapCut created a new feature where you can actually change your voice to another person's voice, right? They provided different voices you can actually change your voice to. You can change your voice from male voice to a female voice, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually use this voice character to change your voice in CapCut, right? So let's head back to the other side of the screen. Let me show you guys how to do that. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually change your voice to someone else's voice on CapCut, right? You will see like your voice will change totally to another person's voice. So let's go and do it right now. You don't need to select your video. Once you select your video, then you come to audio effect, right? You can see audio effect, tap on audio effect, right? Then where you are going to this time around, you are going to voice character. You can see voice character. This is where you can actually change your voice to anybody, right? You can see this is original, right? And this is another person, Fusi, and is a male, right?
This is 100,000 naira and.
Let me play the original so that you know the difference, right?
It is $100. And one funny thing is that this one paper is bigger than this.
This is 100,000 naira and this is $100. And
you can also check this.
This is 100,000 naira and this is $100.
Also check this one out again.
This is 100,000 naira and this is $100.
Check this one again.
This is 100,000 naira and this is $100.
And one funny part is that you can also change your voice to robot, right? So let's try this robot out so that you're gonna see it.
This is 100,000 naira and this is $100.
So that's just
this is 100,000 naira and this is.
One thing is that like CapCut is really good, and all these things you can make use of it depending on the kind of video you are editing, right? So if you're editing a video and it requires for you to use this, you can actually use them, right? And it's nice. You can actually change your voice to different people's voice, right? And it's okay. Like maybe you are shooting a video of different characters, you can actually come here and change your voice to different characters, right? So this is exactly how to do it, guys. So see you guys in the other side of the screen. Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And if this is your first time in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. And also, before you go, I would like you to hit the thanks button under this video, right, to support your boy, right? So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.